Good morning, students. Today we are going to study linear equations in one variable, lesson 3, part 1. Okay, introduction. So, before going to the introduction, let us recall in algebra, you people have studied in previous classes monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomials. Is it not? So, those are according to the terms. Okay, addition of terms, subtraction of terms, all this. That means multiplication of terms. According to that, they have divided into polynomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. Monomials means you all know monomials which has only one term. It is called monomial. Okay, and then binomial which has two terms. Okay, and then trinomials which has three terms. Okay, like that you people have studied. Now we are going to study linear equations. Okay, before going to that equations linear, before going to this linear, we must understand what is linear and equations, and in one variable, what is variable, all these things. Okay, then variable you all know. See, for example, x plus 1. In x plus 1, x is a variable and 1 is a constant. Okay, x is a variable and 1 is a constant. Okay, children, that is a variable. And equation means anything, like for example, y plus 6 is equal to 9. Equal to, equality. We have equality. That is nothing but equation. Okay, now let us go to what is linear. Okay, before going to this, what is expression? Linear expression. Okay, linear expression. What is the meaning of expression? Okay, what is expression? Expression is, for example, x plus 1. Here we are not equating to 0 or some other number. Okay, here we have y plus 6 is equal to 9, but here only x plus 1 we have written. Okay, so this is nothing but expression. When we call an equation, when it is equal to some number or that is equal to 0 or another numbers, like x plus 1 equal to 20. Now in this equation, just observe variable. How many variables we have here? We have only one variable. Okay, children. So that is the highest power is 1. So what is the power of x? It is 1. Okay, the power of x is 1. So here the equation which has a power 1. Okay, and one variable and one power is nothing but a linear equation in one variable. Equation, why we are calling that as equation? Since we have here equal sign. Okay, children. So this is x plus 1 equal to 20. Just in this you see, in x square plus 2x plus 8 equal to 10, the highest power is how much? 2. Therefore, this is not a linear equation. Then what is this? This I think you are going to study in further class. Okay, this is what? Quadratic equation. Okay, which has highest power 2. That is nothing but quadratic equation. Y plus 6 is equal to 9. Y plus 6 is equal to 2y plus 7. These are the examples for linear equations in one variable. Why one variable? Here y is one variable, here one variable, here one variable. Same variable, no? So you can write like this also, linear equation. Okay, children? This is about linear equation. Now you all understood what are linear equations? Yes or no? So once again, the linear equations are the equations which has only one which has only highest power is what? 1. Okay, now let us know how to solve equations. Okay, equations, one variable on one side. Okay, one variable on one side. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. See, one variable, this is one variable and we have only one side here. This side there is no variable. Okay, children, how to solve this? See here, 2x minus 3. Then if we eliminate minus 3, then you will get some number. That means in this two terms, if we eliminate 3, then easily we can find out x value. So see, children, how it is. 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to the same thing you have to do here also. Not done that. Okay, 7 plus 3. Now 2x is equal to was 3 minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So this is one method of solving, children. Okay, children. Then 2x divided by how much this is 2x we have to eliminate this 2, no? So 2x divided by 2, then 7 by 2. Why I have chosen here 2 means 2 will get cancelled. 7, this is not 7, this is 10. Okay, 10 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. Okay, children. Then this is what is the answer is here. X is equal to what? 5. Okay, children. This is one of the method how to solve a linear equation in one variable. Okay, children. See, once again I am repeating. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So to eliminate minus 3, what I did? Plus 3, and here also you have to take plus 3. Then 2x minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. Then 2x only remains, that is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then next 2x divided, that means we have to eliminate. Why we have taken denominator 2 means here into is there. To cancel this 2 we have to take in the denominator. We have to divide. 2x divided by 2 is 2 will get cancelled. The same thing you have to do here also. 10 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 it is equal to 5. So therefore 2 will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. So next is variable on two sides. Variable on two sides. Okay. See here, variable here also it is one variable only, but two sides we have. So how to solve this? 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. 2x. Okay. To eliminate, let us make this as 1x because this we have to eliminate it. So 2x minus x, here x minus x. Understood why I have taken x here on either side? Minus x. If you do minus x here, this 2 we can cancel. Okay. So 2x minus x minus 3 as it is you write is equal to x minus x plus 2. 2x minus x is x minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we have to eliminate this 3 minus 3, correct? So for that let us add plus 3. X minus 3 plus 3 is equal to the same thing you have to do here right hand side also 2 plus 3. X is equal to minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. X is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, children. This is what x value. Understood? The next comes here forming equation. Forming an equation. Okay, how to form an equation? Sum of, that is when we have to form an equation, when they give like word problems. Okay, so that is what then that time we can form an equation. How to form an equation? Let us see. Sum of two numbers is 74. How to write geometrically this sum of two numbers is 74. Sum of two numbers is 74. One is 10 more than other. Okay, so let one number be x. Then x plus 10 plus x is equal to 74. How, children, this is? See once again. Sum of two numbers is 74. Okay, one number is 10 more than the other. That means one number, let one number be x. Then the other number will be 10 more than the number. That is 10 more than the number. Okay, so 10 plus x is equal to what? 74. Understood, children? Then x plus x is how much? 2x plus 10 is equal to 74. Okay, now 2x is equal to 74 minus 10. If you try to make this 64, you will get 2x is equal to 64, x is equal to 64 by 2, that is equal to, divide this, children, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are 4, 32 you get. Okay, children. Now, here, cross multiplication. So, why I am teaching like forming an equation, cross multiplication. So, these are the things you are going to, like you are using these things to solve the problems in word problems. Okay, children, that is why I have that means taken here how to cross multiply. Okay, when, in which situation we have to cross multiply. X plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Okay, children. So here 8 times x plus 1 is equal to 3 times 2x plus 3. Then 8 times x, 8x plus 8 is equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, then 8x minus 6x is equal to 9 plus 8. If you write this side minus 8, then 2x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, children, this is. So now this exercise 3.1. In exercise 3.1, solve the following equations. Okay, here first problem, x minus 2 is equal to 7. X minus 2, how to solve it? So minus 2 is there. To eliminate this minus 2, plus 2, the same thing you have to take here, plus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. X2 is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, children. Then next, see, second one I am giving for homework. Okay, children. Third is 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to z. Why? Because why I have taken minus 2? Because here 2 is there. Let us eliminate this one. Okay. So plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That is equal to z. Z equal to 4. Now fourth question, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. 3 by 7, let us eliminate 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7 minus the minus 7. 3 by 7 I have taken here, so that is why to take this side also 3 minus 3 by 7. Okay, then x is equal to 7. 7 is the LCM. 17 minus 3 is how much, children? 14. So 14 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are, x is equal to 2, children. Now sixth question is t by 5 is equal to 10. See, children, here t divided by 5. To eliminate 5, what we have to do? We have to multiply 5 both the sides, left hand side and right hand side also. So left hand side and right hand side also we have to multiply 5. So t by 5 into 5 is equal to 10 into 5. 5 will get cancelled. T is equal to 10 5s are 50. Okay, children. This next is 7th. Okay, 7th is 2x. 2x divided by 3 is equal to 18. 2x divided by 3. So 2 by 3 is there, children. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? Why I have taken 2 by 3? I have taken here 3 by 2, because we have to take the reciprocal, then only we can divide. So we have taken here 3 by 2. The same thing you have to take here also, right hand side 3 by 2. Okay, children. So 2 by 3 x into 3 by 2 is equal to 18 into 3 by 2. 3 will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. X is equal to 2 9s are 18. 9 3s are 27, children. Okay, children. Now 12th question is x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. Okay, children. Now x by 3 plus 1, because plus 1 we have to eliminate first. Plus 1, for that what we have to do? Minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1. So is equal to 7 by 15. The same thing you have to do here also, minus 1. Okay, children. Now x by 3 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So take LCM. Is it not? You have to take LCM since we have here minus sign. Okay, in between the fractions. 7 by 15 minus 1 by 1. What is the LCM of 15 and 1? 15 is the LCM. 15 1s are 1, 7s are 7, minus 1 15s are. Correct? 1 15s are 15, 1s are 15. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 divided by 15. Now x divided by 3 is there. This 3 we have to eliminate. How to eliminate this 3? Multiply by 3. Okay? On both the sides, multiply by 3 is equal to minus 8. 8 by 15 into 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. X is equal to how much you get? Minus 8 by 5. This is what the answer, children. Now you have a homework here. Okay, in this exercise you can refer your textbook also. Okay, the same whatever is there in the textbook I have given. This exercise I have explained, and then I have explained means I have given homework. Okay, children. See, children, in other method also you can simplify this one. Okay, children. So here the homework is y plus 3 is equal to 10. That is 2nd, 5th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So these are 6 problems are there. Try to solve in homework notebook. Now let us see next some applications. Okay, children, some applications. Some applications of linear equations in one variable. Okay, now that is exercise 3.2. This exercise. Let us start now. You have in textbook, and in this textbook we have 3.2. For that many worked examples are there in the textbook. Please solve those worked examples in homework notebook, children. Okay, children. Now 3.2, exercise 3.2, question 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Okay, children. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Let the number be x. Okay. Then what is this? How to write this one? If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, let the number be x. So x minus 2. Okay, children. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, this is the number. Okay, children. And multiply the result, this result, by 1 by 2. Okay, multiplied by this result by 1 by 2. Then you get 1 by 8. Understanding? You get 1 by 8. Now, so this is what mathematically we wrote here. This is this one we have to solve it. Now, see here, children. We have 1 by 2. If we multiply by 2, what you get? This 2 will get cancelled. Yes or no? So let us do that. Okay, multiply by 2 and here also multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones will get cancelled. X minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 ones are 2 fours. Okay, children. Okay, now next x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. So here minus 1 by 2 is there now, children. Let us eliminate this one. Okay, minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is here, plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. Okay, plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. Okay, now this 2 will get cancelled. X is equal to, take LCM, 4 and 2, 4 is LCM. 4 ones are 1, ones are 1, plus 2 twos are 2, ones are 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. X is equal to 3 divided by 4. Therefore, the number is 3 by 4. Okay, the number is what? 3 by 4. Okay, this is the first one. Then the second one is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Okay, so the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Okay, its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. See here how they have given its length. Length is 2 meter, more than its breadth. 2 meter, more than its breadth. So let the breadth be x. Okay, children. Let the breadth be x. So then 2x plus 2 you will get. How we got 2x plus 2? Understood? See here, its length is 2 meter. Length is 2 meter. Length is 2 meters. Okay, 2 meters, more than twice its breadth. We have treated breadth as x. Okay, children. So that twice its breadth means twice its breadth. 2 meters, more than twice its breadth. So 2x plus 2. Perimeter is equals to 2 times L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 154. That is equal. This is the formula, children. You know, all of you know, I think. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. So perimeter is 154 is equal to 2 times L is 2x plus 2 plus B is x. 154 is equal to 2 times 2x plus x is 3x plus 2. So then 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. Okay, that is equal to 2 times see what I have done here is 154 divided by 2, and whole thing divided by 2 I did because we can eliminate this 2. Okay, so 77 you will get 77 is equal to 3x plus 2. 77 Okay, plus 2 we have to eliminate. 77 minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2 minus 2. 2 will get cancelled. 75 is equal to 3x. 75 divided by 3 is equal to 3x by 3. Why 3 I have taken? Because 3x is there. 3 to eliminate 3. Okay, 3x divided by 3 is equal to 75 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 3 will get cancelled. So x is equals to 25. Okay, x is equals to 25. Now, therefore, b is equal to 25 centimeter. Because b, no, let the breadth be x we have taken. So, b is equals to 25 meter. Then L is equal to, what is length? L is equal to 2x plus 2. 2 times x is 25 plus 2. 25 2s are 50 plus 2, that is equal to 52 meter. L, length is equal to 52 meter, children. Okay, children. So, then next, third question, fourth. So, we have like 16 questions are there in this exercise. So, that 16, that is from third question, I am going to explain in the next video. Okay, children. Okay, children, bye.